Hey guys, it's another video where today someone's gonna light off like a lot of fireworks.
There he is.
There's a 6-foot area?
Like that
fucker didn't go up, he stayed right there.
Oh shit. God damn.
Big one. It's gonna be loud.
Yeah. Yeah, yes.
There you go. There goes.
Whoa! My God.
That was loud.
Yeah.
That was louder than the last one. You're not supposed to do that.
No. But, you know what?
Is there another one?
They don't have enough.
That was loud.
There's been bowling going off all night long.
Is that it?
Yeah, they got signs.
That was it.
They got signs.
We got a whole bunch of them.
That was
We'll do the rest of the door.
That was kind of
They
boring.
got the signs right there in the next development to the left.
Really?
Yeah,
That was
they
really
no
boring.
fireworks.